Okay, so Saturday morning, Frankie here, and Claire's still asleep. And tonight we're hosting our annual blind wine tasting event where guests come and they bring wine and we wrap them up to know and see what it is. And I have a silly emoji scorecard. And anyway, we're really excited about that. But one thing that's been bugging her is we have this rug in the living room that's white, and well, it's no longer all that white. She's looking for ways that we can clean it. She's really stressed about it. She wanted to buy a new one. She tried to get a steam cleaner, and that just didn't work out. We wouldn't have enough time to like wash it and dry it and all that. So I had an idea this morning. I'm gonna go on TaskRabbit, and I'm gonna film my screen, and I'm gonna see if this works out. This may not work out. It's just a total random idea. I use sites like Fiverr, and if you're looking to like make money or solve a problem quickly, maybe this is a way to do it. If you're looking to post a skill that you have and make some side hustle money, maybe you can be someone that helps people accomplish tasks like this last second. So let's see if I can make this happen today before our party, which is at 8 o'clock. It is 10:30. Here we go. Okay, so I had super good intentions. I went through the process on TaskRabbit. We messaged back and forth, and really nice guy. He had some ideas, but at the end of the day, if you do a cost benefit analysis, he was gonna charge 30 bucks an hour. It may or may not have been any better than what we can do from home. So pivot, change of plans. We're gonna repair this rug ourselves. So we found some super basic carpet cleaner. We're just gonna vacuum, we're gonna deep scrub it, we're gonna lay out in the sun, see if we can bring this thing back to life and save us that $30 I was gonna spend on finding some help. So let's see how this goes. Tucker, do you miss the rug? Are you confused? Where is it? Ooh. Mission accomplished. We got the rug cleaned in time. It's mostly dry. And we saved ourselves the 30, 40 bucks to hire someone to help us, or the money it would have cost to rent a steam cleaner, or the 100, 200, whatever it would have cost to replace the thing entirely. Guests are set to arrive here in just 2 hours, so let's see if anyone notices. And yeah, I gotta go get ready. Okay, so the party was a hit. Tons of fun, so good to see everyone. And truth be told, we only got like 12 or 13 comments on the rug. Just kidding. We didn't get any comments on the rug. This video did not turn out the way I thought it was going to turn out, so what's the point? I basically just made you watch my rug dry on a video. Number 1, find help. If you can find a partner to help you out, you may even be able to double your productivity. Number 2, be flexible when you're trying to solve a problem. There's a lot of different ways to solve problems, so just think differently. And number 3 is sometimes the best person for the job is you. As I found out, elbow grease is kind of an unlimited resource that we can all tap into, and it's super satisfying. Plus, when you do it yourself, you actually learn skills and build habits. Let's just say this probably isn't the last time I'm gonna end up repairing a rug, or fixing the paint on the wall, or you get the point. And next time a similar problem creeps up, your first thought is actually gonna be, I got this. This isn't about the rug, if you haven't figured that out by now. This is about solving problems. This is about saving money. This is about not listening to that inner voice that says replace it by a new one. And I've actually developed a bit of a mantra over the last few months, which is I'd rather be busy than bored. Being busy is one of the ways that I found ends up saving me the most money. Keeping yourself busy with some kind of hobby or project is a really good way to stay active, build habits, and again, save money. Because as the saying goes, idle hands are the devil's bestie, or something like that. So to summarize, number 1, find help. Number 2, find creative ways to solve your problem. And number 3, hire you. Save some time, save some money, get the job done right. So stay busy, my friends, and save some dough. So one more super quick thing and ask of you guys. Right now on this channel, honestly, I'm just making videos for me. I'm just doing silly things that I enjoy because this is a lot of fun. But I really want to make videos for you. I want to know what you want to know, whether it be about personal finance, do-it-yourself hacks at home, all things frugality, it doesn't matter. Just let me know something that's on your mind and I'll try to make that video for you. Because at the end of the day, this is all about community and this is all about learning. Getting a little gray. Oh, by the way, if you're one of the people that attended last night and didn't spill wine on my rug, seriously, thank you. You're the real hero here. If you want to host your own blind wine tasting event, I got a link below that'll take you to my Etsy store. Yeah, I got an Etsy store where you can download the Emoji Wine Blind Wine Tasting Scorecard. It's like 99 cents, it's super cheap. Copy and paste it into a bunch of Word docs, print it out, chop it up. It is seriously a lot of fun. So that's it, guys. Cheers. Go do a project this week, something creative. Tell me about it if you did it. Like, subscribe, all the cool things. Have an awesome week, and I will talk to you soon.